In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, which is a common issue, don't worry, I got you. Before clicking on this microphone then, tap on gear icon and choose voice typing section to click on this switcher next to use voice typing feature. Then go back, check out if your microphone is here and click on it. If you never used voice typing before, you'll need to tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!